Hello everyone. So today I'll discuss about the general awareness part 2nd of BCom BBA entrance paper of Jamia Millia Islamia. So let's get started. First question is the presidential government operates on the principle of. So the correct answer of this question is separation of powers. 22nd, who was the first woman to become the prime minister of a country? Okay, if it is like who was the first woman to become the prime minister of the world, so the correct answer would be Bandar Naike. That is C. Okay, but if it is like who was the first woman to become the prime minister of India, that is Indira Gandhi. Okay. 23rd, the vice president is the ex officio chairman of the D. Rajya Sabha. 24th, which of the following countries has an unwritten constitution? So guys, there are many countries who has like the unwritten constitution. Okay, the countries are Israel, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, UK, Canada. So UK is mentioned here, so the correct answer would be UK. In which year did the parliament adopt Indian constitution? So parliament, like the Indian constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. So the correct answer would be like 1949, but it is not mentioned here. So the Indian constitution came into force on 26 Jan 1950. Okay. So 1950 is the correct answer. Okay. Let me try to explain it again. Like this, the Indian constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and it came into force on 26 Jan 1950. Okay, hope it is clear now. Article 1 of the constitution declares India as Union of States. So the correct answer is D. 27, Aadhaar is a program to help senior citizens, to provide identity to Indian residents, to train people for social defense, or none of these. Okay, so this answer you have to tell me in the comment box. 28, which of these is not included as a fundamental right in the Indian Constitution? So B, C and D, like right to freedom of speech, right to equality before law, right to constitutional remedies are there as the fundamental right in the Indian Constitution, but A, like right to equal wages for equal work is not included as a fundamental right in our Indian Constitution. So the correct answer is A. Who considered the right to constitutional remedies as very heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? So he was B.R. Ambedkar. Actually, B.R. Ambedkar called the Article 32 of the Constitution as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution. So this question can be asked that the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution is mentioned in which article? Okay, or which article is called the heart and soul of Indian Constitution? So it is Article 32. All the executive powers in Indian Constitution are vested with. See, correct answer is President. C. Which is the largest sea in the world? It is South China Sea. But which is the largest ocean in the world? It is Pacific Ocean. The ocean current transfer heat from. Correct answer is D, lower to high latitudes. Where was the concept of written constitution first born? So it is USA. So the concept of the constitution was brought by George Washington. Okay, so the correct answer is USA. USA coral reefs are formed by D, tiny colonial marine animals which construct limestone skeleton material. So the correct answer is D. 35. Kaziranga National Park is famous for. So Kaziranga National Park, where it is located? It is located in Odisha, right? It is located in Odisha or Assam? So it is located in Assam. Okay, Assam. And the Kaziranga National Park is famous for? So you have to tell me in the comment box, the Kaziranga National Park is famous for which of the animals? Which is the best known bird sanctuary in Haryana? It is Sultanpur. Which one of the following places gets the least rainfall? Okay, so as we already know that Jaisalmer, which is in Rajasthan, and Leh in Ladakh, gets the least rainfall. But here the correct answer is Leh. C. The highest wheat producing state of India is? Everybody knows that it is Uttar Pradesh. D. Hirakund project is located in? It is in Odisha. Which among the following national highway routes is the longest? So the national highway routes, which is the longest route, it is NH44, which starts from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. But here it is not mentioned, so you have to tell me in the comment box which among the following national highway routes is the longest. That is Agra, Mumbai, Chennai, Thane, Kolkata, Hazira, Pune, Machilipatnam. 41. Life expectancy depends only on death, depends only on birth rate. It's the average lifespan of other individuals in a population, refers to lifespan of an individual. Okay, so these questions 40 and 41 you have to tell me in the comment box. 42. Eco mark is given to an Indian product which is? So eco, it means what? Environment friendly. So answer is B. Newton's first law is also called as law of inertia. Inventor of WWW, World Wide Web. So it was invented by Tim Berners-Lee and Robert. So Robert is not mentioned here, so the correct answer is B, Tim Berners. Spam is related to? So spam is a junk mail, so it is related to computer. Biofuel is obtained from the seed of? Correct answer is C, Jatropha, and almost 40% of biofuel are produced from these seeds, Jatropha. Which of the following plants only produces seed but not fruit? So the gymnosperm is a category of plants which produces seed but not fruit and flowers. So the example of gymnosperms are Pinus, Cycas. Okay, so Pinus is not mentioned here, so the correct answer is Cycas. A. Which of the following is a protein fiber? It's a silk. Silk is a protein fiber. Most important gland of human body is pituitary. Pituitary gland is also referred to the body master gland because pituitary gland is responsible to control the activity of mostly other hormone secreting glands. Okay, so answer is pituitary gland. Production of which one of the following is a function of liver? It is urea. C. ATM stands for? ATM stands for automated teller machine. C is the correct answer. ISRO is the abbreviation for? So ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. B. And the headquarters of ISRO is located in Bangalore. The journalist who refused to accept Padma Bhushan was? He was Khushwant Singh. B. International Women's Day is observed on? It is observed on 8th March every year, and the theme of the International Women's Day 2020 was I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Right. Okay, so this question can be asked that what is the theme of International Women's Day 2020? So the correct answer would be I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Right. 55 question. You have to comment. So 55 question, you have to comment the right answer on the comment box. Where did Mahendra Singh Dhoni make his ODI debut? So it is in Chittagong, which is A. Duleep Trophy is associated with the game of? It is D. Cricket. When were the 19th Commonwealth Games scheduled to be held in Delhi? So it was scheduled in 2010 and October. So C is the correct answer. The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year, correct answer is 1921. Who built the Khajuraho temples? So B, Chandela dynasty. Okay, and Khajuraho temples was actually built between 950 to 1050 CE. Okay, so this was all about the general awareness section of the BBA entrance paper. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.